Hi everyone. I wanted to make a little video before sending you off to spring break. So first of all, I just wanted to say it's crazy right now. The world is a crazy place. And I hope that all of you are doing well and that you're staying home and staying healthy and still able to get through everything you need to get through. For our class, I'm feeling really good about it. Most of you have been very successful in finding our online class and then doing all the online work, along with posting your great videos of your speeches. I think they've been really fun to watch. They're awesome. So good work on that. Moving forward, we have a few things left to do this week, and you can see that on Canvas. And then we have spring break, which is much needed, I'm sure, for all of us. And for our class, for spring break, we're going to actually break. There will be nothing that I expect you to turn in or submit or do. But when we come back from spring break, I need you to check in that first class session and find what we're going to be working on. And what we are going to be working on is exactly what our face-to-face classes would have been working on. And so I've lined up the syllabus assignments with the calendar that we had agreed to an online version of those things. So everything we're going to be doing for class is what we would have been doing if we were face-to-face. It's just very different because we don't get to see each other. So with that said, you'll see I'm going to try to organize it exactly like we've done in the past. You'll just see them lined up one after the other, following down the page. And then I'll try to create a video just to explain anything else I need to explain. But if you have questions, concerns, problems, always feel free to reach out through email or through Canvas. I've been trying to be very diligent in getting back to people quickly. So feel free to do that. We also have the option of Zoom conferencing. So if people want to do like a conference call situation, we can. It's definitely an option. And other than that, things seem good on my end, so I'm just going to keep going with whatever the circumstances are, and we're going to try to make this work. But I appreciate you buying in and you doing your part to try to make this work, and I promise that I'm trying my hardest to make it work, and I think that we should be successful moving through the semester online if we need to. So anyways, hope that all is well. Finish up what you need to finish up, and then enjoy that week off, and we will reconnect the week after. All right, bye.